Hello, hi. So, leftover roti sometimes leave away a lot of guilt, no? Or sometimes you don't like the curry. So, for all of it, there's this easy peasy recipe. The South Indian in me couldn't stop me from sharing this. So, let's get started. The ingredients that you'll need are chopped ginger and garlic, 2 green chillies and some curry leaves, a medium sized tomato chopped, an onion chopped. I've taken 3 rotis and had cut them into pieces. There's 1 egg and half a piece of lemon. Pour in 2 tablespoons of oil and wait till it heats up. Once heated, add some mustard seeds. Wait till they pop completely. Now add chopped ginger and garlic. Use as per your taste. I've taken a small piece of ginger and around 5 pods of garlic. Add the chopped onions now and give it a little stir. Add in salt as per taste. Well, salt would help it get sorted soon. We don't want the onions to be brown, let it be a little soft. So let's add in chopped tomatoes. Stir it well. We don't have to overcook it. Don't let the tomato get mushy. Well, whole of this recipe is done in low to medium flame, which makes the possibility of masala to burn low, but it would take some time. Now let's add in slit cut green chillies and curry leaves. Stir it well and mix the whole masalas together so that they start giving in a mixed aroma. As we have kept it in low flame, it would take some time to cook properly. Though it doesn't require a continuous stirring, but make sure to stir it in between so that it doesn't burn. I've mentioned all the ingredients at the end of the video. Also, I will be writing it down in the description box below. Once it starts to give away good aroma or cooked aroma, now it's time for adding in some spices. First, I'm adding in half a teaspoon of Garam masala. It's basically you can decide on to the amount of spices as per your taste. Next, I'm adding in half a spoon of red chilli powder. I'm adding in a pinch of turmeric powder. And around a tablespoon of coriander powder. Now give all of them a good mix. Let it sit around half a minute and cook well so that the masalas and spices don't smell raw. Now mix all the masalas and make some space in the middle of the kadai. Pour in one egg between it and stir it the way we do for scrambling the eggs. Add some pepper powder and again give it a mix. Now start mixing the egg with the masala. Once everything is fully combined, let's add in the rotis that were cut into pieces. I've cut this using a kitchen scissors. Give it a nice stir so that everything gets combined well and the pieces of rotis get coated by the masala. For a tangy taste, add in some lemon juice. You can actually skip it if you don't like it, or you can use amchur or vinegar as a substitute. And now it's ready to eat. Plate it and enjoy it with some tomato ketchup. Thank you.